Okay, so we have just a couple of more things left here. We left off, I was going to tell you how to insert some pictures and graphics and so forth, so let's do that. I've got a couple of figures here that I'll show you how to insert. So let's put the cursor here, and we can use, let's see, where is it? Document elements, no, where are they here? Yes, right here on the home tab. See, that's the nice thing about this. It's easy to just kind of search through the tabs and find what you're looking for if you don't exactly remember. So right here, insert pictures. I can pull that down in picture from file. I'll insert a picture from a file, and I don't want my pic. Automatically goes to the pictures folder on my computer, but what I'm going to do is go to the course folder. I've got a couple of canned pictures that I'll use. Taking a little bit longer than I'd like, but that's okay. We'll do this. All right, labs, and here we are, lab 1, figure 1. So I'm going to just insert that picture. It's a picture file. If I click on it, I can, you see the little handles that appear around it? I can use the corner handle to resize and keep the aspect ratio constant. That means the width to height ratio is constant. If I use one of these side handles, see what happens? It kind of goofs that up. And you know, that may or may not be okay. Okay, and I can do the same thing down here with this figure. I will insert picture from file, figure 2. Should have the figure already, right? So it's all ready to be done. Okay, so now, but you know, sometimes I like to put figures, you know, inside text. So if I do that, let's say I want this instead of where it is now. If I double click on it, notice there's a new whole set of tools that are here. So I can crop it and change stuff, okay? But I can also, let's see what I want to do here. I want to control the placement. So I'm going to format this picture from here. I thought that would appear, but it didn't. Okay, and I want to show the layout of the picture, and I want to have it wrapping tightly around the picture, let's say. So what that's going to do is when I move the picture, see what happens to the text. That's a nice feature to be able to use here. So I can do that with pictures. Let's see, what else can we do? Oh yes, we can insert text boxes as well. So if I insert a text box, sometimes you want to stick text in that really doesn't belong anywhere in the running text. So let's say I'm going to recreate some of this stuff. That's all, because I have a purpose in mind. I'm going to do this. Oh, but look, that text box isn't big enough. Come over here. This turns into a plus. And now I could just create another text box. And let's say I want to continue it. So I want to continue it down here. So see, this text, and this text is all connected. These three text boxes are all connected. So for example, watch what happens in the second text box when I make room in the first one. See, this changes, as did this third one. And so they're all, it's like the newspaper. It continued on page 4. All the text is connected. Now, if I want this text to wrap around, I can do the same thing I did before with the other one. So by format text box and the layout, I can have it. Oh, it's already set at tight wrapping. So when I bring it up here, see what happens. The other text wraps around that text. So that's sometimes a nice thing to be able to do. Okay, the other thing that I want to show you how to insert is equations, which is very nice to be able to do for engineering. So if I insert object,
It's 10 o'clock.
and then insert equation. That will come here, and this will be the last thing we'll insert before I end. It's still thinking. There we go. So it opens up a little editor, and there's a little box here where we're sticking stuff in. So let's put in the quadratic formula. So x equals, and well, the quadratic formula is a fraction, right? So we have to look up here for a fraction. Here's a fraction. Pull this down. I want just a standard up and down. And on the top, I have minus b, if you'll remember, plus or minus. Look, there's an icon for plus or minus. So I can pull that down. Click and drag is all you do here. And then now I need a radical. So there's a radical right here. So if I click and hold and come down to this one, now I can stick stuff inside. So b, well, that's got to be a squared, so I need a superscript. Here, this looks like superscript. Squared. If I keep typing though, see, it's in that level, so that's no good. So I need to click back down into this lower level, and I'm going to do b squared.